Lenyokgo Trading and Projects. We do clothing and printing, uniforms, fashion designs, protective clothing, billboards, banners, brochures, menus, pens, mugs, newsletters, flyers, stationery, websites, envelopes, calendars, folders, magazines, and many more. Lenyokgo Trading and Projects. Lenyokgo Trading and Projects. We do clothing and printing, uniforms, fashion designs, protective clothing, billboards, banners, brochures, menus, pens, mugs, newsletters, flyers, stationery, websites, envelopes, calendars, folders, magazines, and many more. Lenyokgo Trading and Projects. Lenyokgo Trading and Projects. We do clothing and printing, uniforms, fashion designs, protective clothing, billboards, banners, brochures, menus, pens, mugs, newsletters, flyers, stationery, websites, envelopes, calendars, folders, magazines, and many more. Lenyokgo Trading and Projects.